Yo, what's good mensen? It's your boy Paul the State and we're back with another video. Oh, how's it frik? You good eh? Ah, look at how frikkie there. Yeah mensen, in today's video we are installing extended mounts on a Golf 1.
Nice.
So previous video you already saw we put the drop plates in and our guy is sitting lekker. Plus that is I'm using Android quality or Android quality is not so too bad.
You lie! You lie!
It's bad. So we already loosen this one. Come, let us this one loosen bro. Let's loosen this one. This one should be better. Hopefully it doesn't slip. Just fuck her in and let me hold him for you. Pinch your eyes in there bro. So what you're doing is your bonnet is not open. Okay, so now what Uncle Bill must do? There we go. So you're loosening the shock mounting. This is the mounting of the shock. Hashtag struts for us backed boys out there. You know, backed boys lifestyle.
Hands up on bitches.
We are going low today, ish. Our weddings are gonna interfere us. What me not see nothing yet, wa? Ish.
Definitely.
Yeah, mensen. So without further ado, let us begin with the things that we must do. Here's the extended mounts actually. Come and show you our extended mounts. It's basically just a spacer. Just a spacer. Then obviously you're gonna need longer mounting screws or bolts and nuts with washers. So yeah, let's go in the video. Huh?
YouTube intros.
Yeah, bro. So yeah, man, so let us go. Oh, I've been saying that. Plus, this video is on the Android. The other one is on the iPhone. I won't lie, this camera quality is looking now.
Oh, lies, lies, lies. And everywhere is lies.
Very much low key. So man, ready loosen this side. I did loosen this side. Ah, don't strap it, I made.
Why they eat night?
But it's anyways my alright, I have.
It's good. That's you're never ever gonna use it.
I'm saying the nuts.
You're never gonna use it.
Yeah, but still. I might decide to put my mounting back.
They never.
But I need to still see notch, bruh.
So, I told you we're gonna see notch ourselves, and if you don't tell me, I'll see notch my car first, bro.
I can see notch the thing is to weld it, bruh.
We can weld it.
To weld it. What? I need to weld my car. Not my car, when I see notch. I can't even go here. Those people here, my neighbors are nonsense. But yeah, guys. Let me know what you think. The guys, my car used to like air out there. That time my car is not even fully air out anymore. So yeah. Yeah, but the thing is we need to know how to weld. I don't want to weld like you see those ones here that do the exhaust. I want the welding to be now. Don't think any welder. Yeah. Do I did nonsense there. Hey, let me not speak about such things on the video now. I didn't say nothing. Yeah, I'm leaving it in. Let the ones must know what's going on. So yeah guys, ons is amper klaar. Hey. There's the thing. Yeah man. Nee, don't need extension. Just loosen it. So we see man, so we must knock those things out. And there's no other way you can get them out, nah.
You know that I just say, pa, 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 shwee.
But this is new ones, that's why.
Using the smallest hammer you can find, Monzo. Take a fucking hop on, bro.
Man, so when you're done with the shock mountings of knocking out, your shock mounting must look at us. Just point there where they must knock a thing out. Yeah, you see there. So you can do this. See there. Did you no wait, you were supposed to put the other wash. Did you put the other wash on the other side? You I must never knew that. So yeah, then
Where's my nut here?
see there? Yeah, can you? I don't know. No, we must use a new nuts. So It's a spacer, guys. It's a spacer. Basically a spacer. Extended mounts are spacers. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on how things are looking. And yeah. Ha! Man, so what to do? Yeah, I'm looking sexy. What? My mother's sexiest child. But anyways, nonetheless, I'm done here by the car. Previous video, well, same day, previous video for you guys. I fitted the drop lights and the extended mounts one day, only one day, but 2 different videos for continental purposes.
What? What?
Continental means what? What the content purposes. So, huh? Yeah, Ramash my own camera. So this is how the car looks. Of course, I still need to go and see noise. Are you done making a noise? So yeah, I still need to go and see notch my car. That is gonna be sometime soon. Please subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to send me donations. Please, because yeah, I need the money. I'm just joking. Don't send me money. But if you want to, I'm not asking, but if you want to, dollar. But yeah, this is how the car looks like. So this is a car fully aired up. This is the car fully aired out in the front. There's still a wheel gap, but that's gonna change with a C notch. And then for the last one,
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
oh yes, oh yes. Up your bars. What you gonna eat? Huh? What you gonna eat? Look at my flaps. Look at my flaps. Shout out. That's Lani for helping me. Yeah, man. So I'm officially back. I was back long ago, but now I'm back. I might not even sell my rims anymore. I might just go and get out of tires.